are actually pretty new. I've only had these for a couple of days. Me and my partner were out and about doing a bunch of errands the other day, and she was telling me about this really awesome foreign store that sold a bunch of awesome products, snacks, food, actual cooking supplies, and even just trinkets and little keychains and awesome kinds of stuff from Japan. And so I was like, what? Let's go. Oh my god. So we immediately turned around and we went to it, and upon looking at everything, I found these. I saw it said Gundam Volume 2 Wafer Cookie Collection. Yes, I've already Googled that. I don't know Japanese. What do you think I'm that awesome? Nah, bro, I Googled the hell out of this. This is Volume 2 with Volume 3 coming on the way. So these are just one of the two that I found. I didn't see any different different alt arts, but as you can see, we have the Fighter Gundam, we have the Zeta Gundam, and the Exia Trans-Am. We have the Trans-Am, we have the Zeta, we have the Shining Burning God Gundam, but like we have their pilots too. So you see Mini Setsuna, Camille, and Domon and everything. So over here, if you take a look at the art, you can actually get things like this. I opened one and I got a little mini 𝕤𝕦𝕡𝕡𝕠𝕥. So you get this like cool ass nifty, I don't know if it's like a sticker, I think it's just a little card, but again, this is pretty sick. Like I remember getting a whole bunch of stupid ass Spider-Man and Captain America things of this in my American cereal, but I can't imagine being so blessed to be able to open one of these, get blessed with an awesome wafer cookie, and also some kind of cool ass little art collection piece. Like this right here hits home. And these, I believe, were like $3 or $4. So definitely go check your local Asian markets, because I bet you they might have something. Now, I don't know if these are Japanese exclusive or Japan exclusive, but hey, I'm only the guy bringing the awareness to you on like what they are, what they look like. So if we look back here, we see a little bit more art. And by the way, they make these in like Pokemon, they make these in Bleach, in Dragon Ball Z, Demon Slayer, and a whole bunch of other animes. So if you want to get jiggy with it, get jiggy with it. So guys, here's the live unboxing. We're gonna see my goal, and what I told my partner is I just really want the Exia. So before we even show you guys what the picture is, let me show you guys the nice little snack that you guys get treated with. So it almost showed the art. There you go, I hit it. So here you go. Here is the dope ass chocolate wafer cookie that you get treated to. Look at this. Look at this. This is fantastic. Look, I'm gonna take a bite. So crisp. Damn. You know, I'm not one for chocolate, but this is pretty cool. This is a dope ass treat. Plus, we got, holy shit. Okay. This does not seem familiar. I think this is a 00 Gundam. I believe it's a 00 Gundam of some sort. Yep. Let's see 00 logo in the back. I just can't remember. So that's cool. Alright. So, and if I'm wrong, that's perfectly fine. That definitely looks a whole lot better than the 𝕤𝕦𝕡𝕡𝕠𝕥 one, and still pretty cool. You know what I mean? That's pretty neat. So let's see what we got for the third one. Let's go ahead and open that one. Alright, bam. Alright. And it's the same cookie, guys. Same cookie. That's all it is. So here we go. Taking a look at it. Same cookie, right? Same cookie. Let's hurry up and get this footage before our camera dies. Just as I ended the video, we would have lost that whole clip. But here we go. The second thing that we got was the Mark II Titans. God damn. Okay. I'm absolutely happy with that. But for the most part, these are pretty sick. I'm definitely gonna treasure these. These are really cool. You guys, I'm gonna save this cookie for you guys. Y'all definitely go, or no, here, you know, germs. Yeah, y'all can have this cookie. Y'all eat that in chat. You know, y'all share that. But I appreciate you guys. My name is Plamo-Fudo. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And here is your Gundam cookie. You go, guys. Don't forget. Go Gunpla.